welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm sorry I've been like kind of distant recently. As you could tell by the intro of the video, I've been focusing a lot of my time on school, and I have to. Plus, I don't think I told you guys what I'm doing school-wise, so I need you guys to go down in the comments and let me know what you guys think I'm doing, what I'm studying for, what I'm going to be doing once I graduate in May, because your boy's going to be graduating. Let's freaking go, baby. But yeah, so we're going to be getting into back into the videos now. I'm on a winter break for about a month, and then hopefully I only have 2 classes next semester, so hopefully I can still like push out some videos here and there. But like I said, we're running low. But yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to be finally working on these headlights. I wonder if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can right there. And then this one's pretty bad. Ugh, terrible. But I mean, it is what it is. There's headlights. I'll be showing a picture right now of that I want to get. And I'll leave a link of the 2 people that I talked to about getting these headlights. One of them actually is also a YouTuber. I think his name's Stewart. Pretty cool. Good channel. You guys should go check him out. But yeah, so we'll be getting back into the content of the Focus, and look what we got back here. This freaking unit. You guys have seen the videos on TikTok or Instagram of people that have like this selfie pole with this Insta360. I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to look, but this is how I'm rigging it up to look. I hope it stays and works. Will it hold on and hang on depending on how fast I'm going? That I don't know. It seems like, I don't know, it doesn't seem too sturdy. We'll see. We'll check it out. I mean, the wind's gonna be blowing on you guys like that, and it might be bouncing around. It's a pretty sick shot. If you look at the car, it's gonna be moving. You guys, I mean, I'll have it go all the way around. Like, it's pretty freaking dope how sick this shot's gonna be. But right now I'm gonna be heading to the gym, and then once I get back, we'll be getting down and dirty with these headlights, trying to fix them, make them look a little better, because they aren't that good looking anymore. But it is what it is. Back from the gym, we're gonna go ahead and start working on these headlights, try and clear them up a little bit. All right, so for step 1, it says to wash the headlight. So I'm just gonna use a spray-on car wash. It's not the headlights that are yellow or anything, because that's what the oxidization is going to do, or deoxidization or whatever. But like, you can hear right there, it's just like the clear coat is what's messing up. So like nothing is there. White, clear, whatever. Maybe there's a little bit, but like, I can't freaking tell. Part of this side's done. I'm gonna use, well, this was a wheel cleaner, but I used it all, so I rinsed out the bottle. I'm gonna use it as a spray, like a soapy water mix, so that way I can start sanding the headlight with step 2. As you can see, there's some hazing, so I just washed or rinsed off the old. Now I'm going to do the gray. It looks like the sandpaper. Let's see how it works. We'll see. I don't know. Kind of skeptical about it right now. Just got both of the headlights done. I untaped or took the tape off. Now, because I have to do step 3, which is the ceramic coating of the headlight. I may have got my hopes up a lot on this, because right now it's not looking very promising, and the sun is right there, but you can still see all of that. So I wonder if it's on the inside instead of the outside. And then it seems like I took more of the coat off right through here. New headlights are probably in the future for this car. So you can still see it again, like I said, but when I was rubbing my hand on it, like how you can feel, it feels smooth now. Before it felt like there was a wave right here. So, and then once you get step 3 done, you have to wait an hour before driving or anything to allow it to cure and dry and everything. So that's kind of a bummer. Didn't realize that until now. So it's so cold out. It's freezing. Wintertime, leaves are gone. It snowed a couple days ago. Love-hate relationship with the cold because I love going snowboarding. So I might do some content on that, but yeah, we'll finish this up. We'll see how it looks. It's supposed to go horizontal, not vertical. So horizontal, top to bottom. Got top to bottom right. So guess we'll go. I mean, not terrible. I'll show you guys in a little bit. I'll get the other side done now. All right, so I just finished up the other side. I shut this garage because the glare on the headlight, you couldn't really see anything. So this is what it looks like drying. And I'm quite impressed. As we could remember, I had that big hazing right here. I don't want to touch it. You can, I don't know, maybe, yeah, you can kind of see a little fogginess right there. Like I said, I feel like that's on the inside of the housing. So I probably will be getting new headlights here in the near future. But then this side actually turned out really well. Up here, I mean, you still have a little hazing right here, maybe just reflection, but I think it looks pretty good. That's what it looks like freshly done. We'll see what it looks like in an hour. For you guys, it's gonna be like a half a second, maybe even, not even that long, so I'll get back with you guys in an hour. I can't believe that hour flew by that quick. For you guys it did, but for me, I freaking cleaned this garage. It looks so much better. I hung my license plates. The turnout, this side, the left side actually, our left, the car's right, turned out way better than that side, and that side was the one that was in better condition, and now it's flip-flopped. I mean, like, it's insane. So I'll be leaving the link in the description of where to get this product if you want to try it yourself if you're having this problem. But at first I was skeptical about it, I'm not gonna lie. A little skeptical, but I think it's done a phenomenal job. It's done really well. You just have to get past, once you're in that third stage, the final stage, it's gonna look better. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Subscribe, like, don't forget to comment. I love reading your guys' comments. There's a few of you that comment all the time, and I greatly appreciate it, excluding my friends, because I tell them to anyway. But I appreciate all of you non-friends that are becoming friends now on this channel. Thank you again. Let's try and get some more subscribers. We have 160 right now. Reach out to a friend that you think would like this channel, or maybe a family member, and have them subscribe. Let's just keep growing this channel, and then we'll be doing a lot of great things. And I want to include you guys along for the ride, and include you guys in a lot of the decision making too. So thanks, guys.